We're here at Spieker Point, Software Engineering and Solutions, at their open house and 8th anniversary. Welcome to FusedLogic TV. I'm your host, Walter Schwabe. I'm joined with Craig Blackburg, owner of Urban Jungle. Craig, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
So let's talk a little bit about Urban Jungle. What do you guys do over there?
So Urban Jungle is a brand marketing company, and how that differs from, I guess, your generalist marketing company is that we specialize specifically in brand development. So I guess to give a little bit more context to that, is when we basically help clients build their brands through strategy. A lot of companies, when they talk about brand, it's more about the aesthetic components of a brand, your logo, your visuals, your packaging.
Yeah.
When we deal with a brand, it's on a much deeper level. So we're looking at culture, we're looking at vision and mission of the company, and we're looking at building a brand that then connects with its audience on a number of different levels.
Probably getting to that emotional connection that people will have with a company, its products and brand and so on, right?
Yeah.
Let's talk a little bit about analytics. You know,
Sure.
Of course, we're here at Spieker Point, their open house, and analytics is a core thing of what they do. So how does analytics help you provide better brand experiences for your clients?
Analytics help Urban Jungle build its clients' brands in a number of ways. First, just in setting the initial benchmarks of where a company is at in terms of its market position, in terms of how it, what kind of audience and following it has, if any. And what perceptions exist of that brand and what kind of loyal following it has or doesn't have. And once we have those initial benchmarks in place, then we can tweak and make adjustments, and whether it's repositioning the company, whether it's changing some key messages, whether it's evolving it through a number of different ways, we use those initial benchmarks to then build the company to where it wants to go to.
Right. So helping them grow in a new direction sometimes. Yeah.
So I guess I mean maybe a good way that we would look at doing that in a I guess an everyday scenario is looking at a particular product that that people might have an affinity towards. So you're a golfer.
I am not a very
are
good
you? Okay. What clubs do you like?
Well,
to
I
play
have
with?
Callaway right now.
So you're a Callaway fan. Are you a diehard Callaway fan?
No, not necessarily.
Okay.
Just happens to go straighter than you want.
Okay. So some people are, and they will, when that new Callaway club comes out, they have to have it. They will travel all around the city or go online to find that club. And if it doesn't exist yet, or they can't find it, they'll wait until it comes around so they can purchase it. That's a loyal follower.
Right,
that
absolutely.
Is
sure.
And they're not going to purchase a Ping or a TaylorMade just because the Callaway doesn't exist.
So you leverage analytics to help that kind of loyalty grow.
Right.
Right.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us on FusedLogic TV,
Okay,
Craig. It's been
welcome.
a pleasure.
Again, thanks for having me.
You've been watching Craig Blackburg of Urban Jungle on FusedLogic TV here at Spieker Point. Stay tuned.